The President of India conferred the National Awards to persons with disabilities in New Delhi on Tuesday. The event took place on the occasion of the International Day for Persons with Disabilities.
The world is celebrating International Day of Persons with Disabilities on Tuesday. To mark the occasion, the President of India, Draupadi Murmu, conferred national awards for empowering persons with disabilities to 33 individuals and institutions in New Delhi. Speaking on the occasion, the President talked about the importance of empowerment.
इन पुरस्कारों को बहुत व्यापक सामाजिक महत्व है। आज के पुरस्कार विजेता समाज के सामने रोल मॉडल के रूप में प्रतिष्ठित हो रहे हैं। इनका अनुकरण करके अन्य व्यक्ति और संस्थान दिव्यांगजनों के सशक्तिकरण की दिशा में आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। दिव्यांगजन में उद्यमिता यानी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप को बढ़ावा देने, उनका कौशल विकास करने, उन्हें रोजगार दिलाने, उनके उत्पादों की खरीद को प्रेफरेंस देने की व्यवस्था करने तथा मार्केटिंग की सुविधाएं प्रदान करने से उनमें नेतृत्व की क्षमता बढ़ेगी।
The National Awards 2024 were presented in two major categories: National Awards for Individual Excellence and National Awards for Institutional Excellence. The awardees expressed their gratitude on being bestowed the honor.
This award is very important for us because it is definitely a pat on the back of on all those individuals who are taking this award today. It will be like creating more opportunities for us to be more stronger, to come out with flying colors and to achieve victory.
This is a recognition for all those 1200 plus Divyang Udyami who have started their journey, and they decided to change the mindset of the society from taker and started a journey of from taker to giver. So this is a truly recognition for them, and also the ecosystem that we are building, that everything and anything is possible if inclusion and accessibility mindset is there in the country.
India's Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment, Dr. Virendra Kumar, also unveiled 16 transformative initiatives aimed at enriching the lives of persons with disabilities. These initiatives are poised to transform the landscape of inclusive education, technology, and employment, paving the way for a more empowered and self-reliant future for persons with disabilities. Deepika Mehto's report for DD India.